យើង keep going យើងឃើញមាន Thai flag នៅខាងស្ដាំយើង
Cần tập tiệc tổng ba.
បងវានឹងបង
វាខូចអស់ហើយដល់បើតាំងពីចេញមកនោះខ្ញុំស្ទប់ពីរដងណាកន្លែងទី3 2008ខ្ញុំជាប់នៅទី3ហ្នឹងណា
It's so important for the world to know because they don't pay enough attention to this conflict. The whole world consumed by all the other war around the world.
When I was telling people that I was coming to Cambodia to do a documentary, most of them were responding, why? What's going on there?
It's been so long and people of Cambodia want to go on with life, but they can't.
Fighting between Cambodia and Thailand broke out twice in 2025, and at its peak, it displaced roughly 1 million people across both borders. There's been enough blame gaming to make your head spin. This trip was sponsored by the government of Cambodia. All editorial content, that's entirely our own. It's been nearly a year since it all started, 6 months since the last ceasefire was negotiated in December. What is it that remains when the sounds of war no longer echo, when screams go silent?
What's your name?
ខ្ញុំឈ្មោះស៊ីនចាំទៀងយករូបថតកូនខ្ញុំស្លាប់នឹងអត់
Yes, 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 yes.
ហើយរូបថតកូនខ្ញុំស្លាប់នឹង
My son, photo.
Sovan, he was just 10 years old.
នៅកន្លែងចក្រានបាយគាត់ខ្ញុំមកដល់ពីចក្រានមកដល់ផ្ទុះស្លាប់នៅទេផ្ទុះស្លាប់ឡើងហ្នឹងហ៎បង
It's a
បាំងអស័យអីឡើងខូចអស់លេងអានេះ
like
ធៀបឃុំទំធ្វើឲ្យ
mom put a
ប្តីខ្ញុំ
yeah, go ahead.
Hi, my name is Arwa. What is the last memory you have of your son?
ខ្ញុំច្រើនលេងយកស្មៃគីឡូជាមួយកូនថ្ងៃស្លាប់ហ្នឹងមកវិញច្រូតស្រូវបែបស្រូវកូនអ្នកបែបខ្ញុំអ្នកច្រូតហើយខ្ញុំដើរចូលក្រោយកូនចូលប្រមុនទៅផ្ទុះទៅ
So you didn't realize that it was in the rice?
អត់បានស្គាល់តែគ្រាប់ហ្នឹងជាគ្រាប់គាត់ស្គាល់ខ្ញុំដែរតែខ្ញុំបានមើលដែរតែអត់ស្គាល់គ្រាប់ឆ្កោងអត់ស្គាល់ទេកូនសុំយកមកផ្ទះទុកលោកអេបចាយពេលមកដល់ផ្ទះគឺផ្ទុះទៅ
Chanteong has a photo in her phone of his lifeless body. His face is mangled, it's unrecognizable. Her mind, it can't reconcile that image with her other memories of him.
គាត់ទៅរៀនឆ្មា
Oh, so he loved cats?
និយាយរួមសត្វគាត់ចូលចិត្តទាំងអស់
Chanteong's husband was also injured in the explosion. He's mostly silent, that sort of heavy sorrow of a man who was unable to protect his boy.
ខ្ញុំនៅផ្ទះវាទៅថាណាតមកអត់ដឹងគ្រាប់ទៅទូពីងទៅគេពេទ្យអូននៅផ្ទះស្លាប់អត់ដឹងកូនខ្លាំង
How do you want him to be remembered and how do you want his story to be told?
និយាយរួមទៅកូនខ្ញុំចេះជួយច្រើនធ្វើស្មៅដលងកាំដលងក៏ចេះជួយបោចស្មៅដលងក៏ចេះជួយដល់ស្លាប់ទៅបោចស្មៅដលងទៀតដល់ថ្ងៃស្លាប់ហ្នឹងទៅជួយធ្វើស្មៅខ្ញុំថាអត់ឲ្យទៅទេកូនចេះចង់ទៅជួយខ្ញុំឲ្យហើយ
Do you feel as if history is repeating itself right now for you?
ពីមុនកើតមិនទាន់ចំនួនអពតទេអាឆ្ងល់ចាស់ៗនឹងរត់មិនអីមិនដល់ពេលមកដល់ខ្លួនឯងមិនដឹងថាភ័យខ្លាច
In the mid-1970s, Cambodia endured one of the most devastating genocides in modern history. The Khmer Rouge systematically emptied cities, carrying out mass arbitrary executions, forcing nearly the entire population into brutal labor camps where hundreds of thousands died of starvation and disease. That era, and the years of fighting that followed, killed at least 3 million people and left a country littered with unexploded ordnance. It was supposed to be a thing of the past.
ហ្នឹងកូនខ្ញុំរស់នៅហ្នឹងបែនស្រូវនៅហ្នឹងក្រោមហ្នឹង
And there was no warning, like no one told you maybe it's dangerous or no signs, nothing?
អត់មានដែរដឹងដល់អញ្ចឹងកូនស្លាប់មួយអត់អំពើអត់ដឹង
ក្រោយពីការផ្ទុះនេះហើយ
អង្គភាពស៊ីម៉ាក់បានចូលធ្វើការឆែកឆេរបោះសម្បត្តិហើយបោះសម្បត្តិគឺមានសសរនិងក្របយុទ្ធភ័ណ្ឌតផ្ទុះមួយចំនួនដែលនៅក្នុងនឹងបន្ថែមទៀតក្រៅពីក្របបែកជាកោ
Were you surprised by the volume of what you found here?
យើងនៅទីនេះយើងដឹងថាមានទំហំនៃក្របទម្លាក់ក្របបែកជាកោរបស់កងទ័ពថៃចាប់អាវដោយសារកុមារដែលគាត់យកទៅលេងហើយអាចបង្កគ្រោះថ្នាក់ស្លាប់
So this was the one that your son picked up.
កូនខ្ញុំកាន់ហ្នឹងចាតែថ្មីមិនចាស់ជីទេ
And you'd never seen these before either.
អត់ដែរតែមិនឃើញកូនខ្ញុំកាន់ស្លាប់ហ្នឹង
What she's pointing to, that's a cluster bomblet. Cluster munitions detonate midair and deliver smaller bomblets over spaces that are as large as several football fields. They are illegal under international law, but not all countries are signatories to the convention. Both Thailand and Cambodia are not. Sorry, historically speaking, a few decades ago, was this area also mined and then got cleared and now it's a danger again?
ភូមិសាស្ត្រខ្លះស៊ីម៉ាក់បានធ្វើការបោះសម្បត្តិរួចជាពលរដ្ឋធ្វើការបង្កបង្កើនផលធ្វើកសកម្មនៅក្នុងដីបោះសម្បត្តិមានហើយតែដល់ក្រោយពីសង្គ្រាមពីរដងកន្លងមករបស់កងទ័ពសៀមឈ្លានពានលើទឹកដីកម្ពុជាយើងនឹងឥឡូវនេះក្របទីតាំងចំការមានទាំងអស់ដីទាំងអស់ដែលបានស៊ីម៉ាក់ធ្វើការបោះសម្បត្តិហើយនឹងវាคล้ายទៅជាតំបន់ហានិភ័យឡើងវិញ
រាល់ឆ្នាំខ្ញុំមិនដែរធ្វើតែទៅធ្វើឆ្នាំទៅព្រោះត្រូវតាណាកូនទៅចិត្តហូបតាណាដល់កូនខ្ញុំស្លាប់ទៅខ្ញុំមិនសមក៏ខ្ញុំមិនដែរសូវវិចដែរហើយសាវរីកូនជួយចិត្តខ្ញុំអត់សូវចង់ធ្វើទេកុំឲ្យនឹក
Chanteong pulls out his old backpack.
ងាកនៅតែកតាបកូន
And is this so that his brother can use it, or is it just to keep as a memory?
បោកទុកបាត់ទុកឲ្យបងអូននៅប្រើឥឡូវស្ពាយទៅវាធំពេកអញ្ចឹងទុកសិនវាស្រស់ពេកអត់មានឈឺអត់មានអីមកពីចកាមកដល់ស្លាប់បដ ாய் ដូចវាអស់ចិត្ត
Thailand has disputed that Sovan was killed by a cluster bomblet and had, prior to his death, released a statement declaring that it only uses cluster munitions against military targets and that they have no lingering long-term effects on civilians.
នៅជ្រុងយើងអានោះគឺអានោះជាឡៃស្រអែមហើយទាំងនេះគឺជាតំបន់ក្របផ្លោងរបស់ចៅសៀមថៃ
The Cambodian Mine Action Center estimates that Thailand's bombing left behind more than double the unexploded ordnance that Cambodia had cleared in the previous 30 years.
We are climbing the Prevahir Temple. It's my first time ever to visit this ancient temple.
Prevahir, it's the historic heart of the conflict. The temple has been fought over since 1954, ruled on in Cambodia's favor by the International Court of Justice, the ICJ, twice. Over the last year, Thailand has stated that Cambodia provoked the war, planted mines that injure Thai soldiers regularly, and is lying to the world. The Cambodian government's position has been that Thailand is the aggressor, bombing, invading, occupying Cambodian land, and refusing to hand over 18 prisoners of war for 5 months.
And approximately how much unexploded ordnance do you estimate is in this area?
កន្លែងតំបន់អស់នេះដែលខ្ញុំរកឃើញបានមកជាង 1000 គ្រាប់
Stay on the road.
តំបន់លើនឹងកន្លែងនឹងអត់មានកន្លែងតំបន់កងទ័ពទេមានតែប៉ូលីសការពារប្រាសាទខ្ញុំអត់ដឹងថាកងទ័ពថៃគាត់បាញ់ដាក់នឹងសំដៅនៅលើអ្វីតែខ្ញុំគិតថាបើគាត់បាញ់ដាក់នឹងមានគាត់បាញ់កំទេចចោលប្រាសាទហ្នឹងតែ
Thailand says it's because Cambodia established military points. Cambodia denies this and says it only moved its forces in after Thailand fired on them.
So this has all already been cleared now.
Yeah, already clear.
Prevahir carries extreme symbolic weight for both countries.
How old is this temple?
This temple more than 1,000 years.
1,000.
Yeah, built by 5 kings.
So just so I'm clear, so this was damaged in the fighting.
បាទនេះក្នុងខែ12
Yeah.
So basically, huge pieces of this ancient temple have been brought to the ground.
នេះកាប់បាញ់គ្នា
នេះនៅក្នុងនេះនៅថតនៅក្នុងនេះ
Inside? Sorry, so this basically turned into a bomb shelter.
ហ្នឹងហើយនេះខ្ញុំមករត់ពីនងមកនៅជ្រៅកន្លែងហ្នឹង
អត់បាយ2ថ្ងៃអើយយកមកយាមមើល
The baby was up here too.
មើលកូនតូចនេះអូកើតតន់ដល់ស្គ្រីនទៅមើលទៀមឲ្យអត់ដល់កុំមិនទៀតដល់ផ្លូវណាផ្លូវណីទេកូនពុតធัวផ្សងជួយបាទយប់ទី3អត់បានចុះ
What were you saying to each other to try to, I guess, get through it?
អត់ទៀតនិយាយទេនៅគ្នាសងំតែខ្លាច
Nang sợi kia mình à rẻ nang sợi hả mày nang nang sợi à thì biết à làm một ô này toàn bắt đây mong môi đập môi này ti ai kỵ mình ơi
យមទាំងអស់គ្នាហើយនាំគ្នាអត់ធូបចេះលើកដៃបន្នំសុំសុខសុំសប្បាយទាំងអស់គ្នាអញ្ចឹងណា
So this is where you escaped from.
ដួលអល់ភ្លៀងផងផងមានបើកភ្លើងទូរស័ព្ទទៀតឲ្យបើកទូរស័ព្ទយើង2ថ្ងៃក៏អស់ភ្លើងចេះនៅទៀត
វិញមេឃលលឹមចុះបដាលភ្លៀងបដាលញ័រដូចកូនកតោ
ហើយអ្នក
ល្ងាផងណាមួយ
ណាមួយអាណិតអាអ្នកកូនខ្ចីផងវាកូនតូចហ៎
Prevahir was declared a World Heritage Site by UNESCO in 2008, causing clashes to break out sporadically for the next 3 years.
ខ្ញុំស្ទប់2ដងណាកន្លែងទី3 2008ខ្ញុំជាប់នៅទី3ហ្នឹងដែរ2008ជាប់នៅចានៅហ្នឹងដែរលូនមកនៅកន្លែងផ្សារទី3ហ្នឹងដល់ពេលចូលក្រុមស្ពានទៅវាខ្លោងពោះខ្ញុំជួយជើងនេះវាក្រិចរៀនជើងមួយនេះនៅសោយឡើង
The temple is contentious, and so is the border. In a nutshell, Cambodia goes by the French-drawn map from the early 20th century. For decades, Thailand said nothing, but later claimed the border should follow a natural line along the mountains. Either way, there were stretches of time when things were calm, friendly even.
Yeah, so it was like a joint area.
Yeah, sure, yeah, right.
There was no border, no barricade, nothing.
អត់តាន់បានដាក់បកគោលទៅឡើយទេ
And tourists from Thailand used to also come and visit the temple?
មានច្រកមួយនោះផ្លូវកស៊ូគាត់មកហ្នឹងគឺមកឆ្លងមកហ្នឹង
No previous border clash over recent decades has been as devastating as this.
As Cambodian, we learn about how ancestors' soul are here in the temple. It really breaks our soul. It is our job to take care. The World Heritage Site for all the world. You know.
And when did you reopen the school? When did everybody come back?
ថ្ងៃទី1 ខែមករា
ជួយហៅគ្នាមកយកកូនផង
នេះទីតាំងដែលខ្ញុំចូលថតនេះកន្លែងនេះ
How far are we from Thailand?
ប្រហែលជា80 គីឡូម៉ែត្រ
80 kilometers. Oh, so we're pretty far. So were you surprised then when you were hearing the fighter jets here?
យន្តហោះនោះគឺលើកទី1ហើយសម្រាប់ជីវិតយើងណា
The government recently built bunkers in a handful of schools, but realistically, it's more of a psychological reassurance than a practical solution. This bunker, for example, would fit 50-60 kids, a fraction of the 580 students here. Thailand has a modern air force, better equipped and trained troops. Its military capabilities by far exceed those of its smaller neighbor.
What are you making? Mango jam. How are you doing?
វាយ៉ាប់នឹងហើយបងអូនអើយខ្ញុំធ្វើម៉េចតចូលតកលែងវិញតែប្រទេសវិញអត់បានគៀនថៃ
It's not just about the displacement. Many here are also in debt.
សំខាន់យើងជាពីអង្គការគេអត់លើកលែងឲ្យទៀតទេគេលើកលែងឲ្យតែពីអង្គយើងរត់មកបាន 3K ហើយអានេះក៏ឲ្យយើងបងវិញហើយមើលអត់បានរកអីបានអញ្ចឹងអូនឯងមើលពេលសថ្ងៃនេះទាហានយើងធ្វើត្រង់សេទៅធ្វើត្រង់សេបៀតពួកដីខ្ញុំហ្មង
So it's basically turned into a fighting position.
ចាលំបានទេយើង
ដីដែលអត់បានធ្វើផ្ទះពួកថៃយកអស់ហើយ
While the vast majority of those who fled in both countries have returned to their homes, in Cambodia, roughly 35,000 people are still displaced. Their homes are either in what is still considered a red zone, a military zone strewn with fighting positions, or in areas Thailand recently seized. Thailand has claimed that the land was theirs all along and that these sorts of barricades are a security precaution until things get more resolved. Cambodia does acknowledge that some of the areas Thailand took are those under dispute, but says many, like what you see here, are way deeper into Cambodian territory than any Thai claim.
Have you been displaced before?
ជំនាន់ខ្មែរក្រហមប៉ារ៉ានៅកំដេបាននៅប្រទេសនៅសំបែងក៏ជំនាន់តែពីក្មេងមកនោះរត់តែរហូតចឹងឯងសង្គ្រាមមិនដែលស្រាក់ស្រានទេបងអូនយើងវេទនាឡើងឆ្អែតតែកំចង់ឲ្យជួបដល់កូនទៀតទេប៉ុន្តែធ្វើមិន
My name is Arwa. What's your name?
Arwa. Bong Cho Channi.
Channi, nice to meet you.
Hi.
1 month old, is it your baby? Oh, sweetheart. Aw. Where's your husband?
តែធ្វើការបើចាបើនៅជំរុំយូរអត់មានប្រាក់ខែទៅដំពេញ
I mean, your son has been born into a tough life right now.
មានអ្នកខ្លះកើតអាពងអាបាញ់គ្នានឹងឈឺពោះកើតពេទ្យគេនេះអាពេលរត់មកដំបងបង
Is he the naughtiest grandchild you have?
លពើ
Yes.
Do you know if your home is still standing or if it has been destroyed, or do you have any news from the situation?
ផ្ទះណែផ្ទះនៅទេប៉ុន្តែវាមានត្រូវបែងត្រូវអុយដែរដំបូលណាតែអត់ហ៊ានទៅនៅ
Have you been displaced before?
ពីក្មេងធ្លាប់មានសង្គ្រាមមានអុយដែលមិនទាន់បានប្តីនៅយីស្រុកក៏មាន
So you didn't have much of a childhood yourself then?
ចាមានអុយសុបាយរត់គិតគ្រឿបរហូតរៀនក៏បានរៀនគេចប់ផងរៀនបានថ្នាក់ទី3រៀនក៏វល់ទៅរត់ដែលគេបាញ់គ្នាកូននេះកើតបានកូនមីបងបាន3ខែ3ទៅកាត់ព្រៃកាត់
Yeah, I'm sure you never imagined that your daughter would give birth displaced.
មិនដែលគិតថាចោះផងប៉ុន្តែដល់ពេលវាកើតមកហើយក៏ដឹងធ្វើមិនបើវាត្រូវចេះឯងក៏ដឹងធ្វើមិន
Some residents have complained about the conditions here. The government hopes to move the remaining families into better temporary housing, like this village it built with 3,000 homes.
So it's doubled.
Cambodia's economy was already limping along before the war with Thailand dealt it another blow. And add to that the impact of the war in the Middle East and rising prices, it's a struggle for everybody. The kids, they work without complaining. It's as if they sense that life has dictated they have to toughen up before their years.
Oh, no, thank you. We just had breakfast.
It's very good.
កាលវាវាយហ្នឹងវាព្រួយឲ្យខ្ញុំវានៅនៅប្រទេសមានរិទ្ធហ្នឹងវានៅជាប់នឹងថៃហ្នឹងហ្មង
So your house, you can't get to your house. There's like a fence in front of your house.
គេដាក់ពេញហ្នឹងចង់ឲ្យអ៊ំទៅបង្ហាញទីតាំងនោះឆ្ងាយប៉ុណ្ណាក៏បានក៏ចោល
So what was his pickup line? Who saw who first?
យាយខ្ញុំនេះត្រឹមតែដឹងនេះដែរយូរតែ
គាត់លួចឆ្លាញ់ពីកាលអត់ដឹងរឿងទេមិនគិតថាយ៉ាងម៉េចទេឲ្យតែគាត់ថា
តម្លៃហ្នឹងវាមានលុយមានស្កាយទេយើងនៅជាដែរនោះហើយ
ព្រៃអត់មានម៉ែឪណាយើងត្រូវការគាត់ស្មោះនឹងយើងគាត់ខូចពីជំនន់ពលពត
ម្ដាយខ្ញុំគេយកវាយចោលឆ្នាំ77បងប្អូនខ្ញុំមាន7 6នាក់រស់តែ2នាក់ទេក្រៅពីគេយកវាយចោលគេដាក់ប្រទេសយកទៅ បងវានឹងបងវាចូលពីព្រំដែនវាភូមិខ្ញុំនៅកន្លែងគួយមកណាវាចូលចិត្ត2គីឡូ
អត់អីទេអូនចេះតែមានចិត្តនឹកសំណោះដែរហ្នឹងអូន
Yeah, it must be very hard to put into words.
ខ្ញុំវាពិបាកនិយាយដែរអូនចា
យើងមិនយល់វាដល់វាហ៊ានមកដាក់ឯណាដល់ជ្រូដល់នេះអើយបានតែគាត់គោពីណាអ៊ំអើយហីនោះអរគុណណាស់ចាបងបើនិយាយពីរឿងងេះងួយវារកអីលីដាក់មានទេព្រោះយើងវាចំណាស់នេះហើយណា